When we are in the state of doing nothing, happening continues. Whatever is happening in the body, in the mind, outer world, it will continue to happen. The world is in flux. So whatever is changing, whatever is happening is a part of the world. We are different and beyond the world. Oh, that is. That results into revelation. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down. We'll share our experiences now. Are you Terry? Are you Ann Hoffman?
Okay, there we go. Yeah, I feel very good, grounded, and calm.
Calm, that's wonderful. Yes, you have to remain grounded once and forever.
Yes, absolutely.
Are you Mead? Again, it was muted. It was unmuted for a while,
Mhm.
and
I feel a sense of kindness,
very good.
kindness, and peace, and coming home.
Yes, experience calmness. That is good.
Mm.
Very good. Is it possible for you, Terry, that your maid can unmute? And knows Terry.
Yes, I do.
Oh,
No
yes.
issue. We
Mm.
will meet again. Thank you. That is all for today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.